So centrally managed users, what does this mean? In a traditional setup, right, if we had 3 databases here and we had end users that were logging those databases directly, we would set up a user and a password in each of those databases, right? And each database would store their password, and each database would have password complexity rules, expiration rules, uniqueness rules, etc. This is all fragmented and very hard to manage, right? So maybe in your world, you already have this and you have some kind of monthly or quarterly report that touches all your databases and gets sent to managers or sent to a DBA lead or DBA that says, please review these users, make sure they're still active, make sure their passwords have been changed, those types of things, right? So this is kind of that traditional world we've lived in. If I integrate with AD and CMU, I can move all of those things into the Active Directory, right? So password complexity rules, expiration, onboarding, offboarding of accounts, et cetera, will all be in Active Directory, and we'll go through how that works. Okay, so this is like, why do I want to do this? I want to do this because I want to take all of that effort and move it to a place that is already doing this effort, right? So generally we use Active Directory for maybe your desktop logins, maybe your other application logins, et cetera. So there's really a structure in Active Directory to manage all this stuff. Technically, it's not that Oracle can't do this, but there's business processes and rules around Active Directory that have been created and are well established, and it just takes a lot of that work and offloads it over to that system, right? So from a DBA standpoint, I think of that as a huge positive.